Let's study about the sound of S in different conditions. When S come first in a word, then it would give the voice of Z. For example, Zea. When S comes after vowels, it will give the voice of S. For example, house. When S comes with the CH, then it would give voice of sh. For example, douche. When S comes before P, then it would give voice of sp. For example, Spaß. When S comes before letter T, then it would give the voice of st. For example, stehen. We have studied or discussed about the sound of different consonants